All right, let's talk about your assignment, the number guessing game. I'm going to jump straight into how it will work, and then we'll talk about your programming strategies and what resources are available. So look at this. Here it is. I have generated a secret number between 0 and 100. Try and guess it. What's your guess? I'm going to go for 50. Too high. Okay, fine. 25. Too high. 10. You still with me? Good. It's pretty exciting. 15 too low. 20. Oh. Okay, now we're just doing our final strategy. And look at that. I guessed it. That wasn't too bad, right? Okay, so how does this work? So you have already watched a previous video that showed how to generate a random number. In this program, you need to write the code to generate a random number, and then Python will check and see if the person's answer is a match, so it equals it, if it's greater than, or if it's less than. And then it will give them a message telling them what's up. That's too high, or that's too low. And it will keep going until they get the number and guess it correctly. Super exciting and fun, right? I know. I feel the same way. Um, what your program needs to do is ask the player for their name, create a number with a specific range by using the random feature that is described in a separate video, asks them to guess a number in that range. And then it's going to compare their answer to the actual number and check to see if it's too low, too high, or just right. Now, you're going to have to set this up as a function in order for the player to keep on being able to guess. Let's take a look at how that would work. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. Check this out. I wrote a really basic function just for you. So in our screenshot, I just defined x as equal 1. This is really simple, right? And then line 2 is creating a function that is named sample. In a function, everything that is indented under that naming line, so line 2, everything that's indented belongs to that function and will run every single time the function is called. So on line 13, that calls the function. I named it sample. It's going to cruise through, print hello just to be nice, and then it's checking. If x equals 1, then it prints that's the number. If x is greater than 1, then it runs the function again. If x is less than 1, it runs the function again. So what's happening here is this will keep on running and checking until x equals 1, because you'll notice after line 7, when it says that's the number, it doesn't offer or call that function again. So instead of saying x equals 1 in your program, you're going to use the random number generation code that is described in the previous video and also right here. Things to look out for as you're working. Make sure that you are using double equals. Double equals in Python means that it's comparing a value. A single equals sign means it is assigning a value. And then use elifs and greater than or less than. I appreciate you taking a look at this today. Please refer to the other video that describes random number generation, and I look forward to seeing your work. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.